Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make desktop shortcuts on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make desktop shortcut for any app on your Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Here you will find some pinned app. Click on all apps. Now I am going to create the calculator app desktop shortcut. Just drag and drop it to your desktop. Look, the calculator apps desktop shortcut has been created. Again, I am going to create desktop shortcut for another app. I am going to create desktop shortcut for calendar app. Just drag it and drop to your desktop, and look, the calendar apps desktop shortcut has been created. This is the easiest way to create desktop shortcut for any app on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.